Nishta Sharma, young, fearless, and already a force. From winning hearts at 11 to finding her voice at 18, she's not just rising, she's redefining what it means to grow with grace, grit, and purpose.
One thing that Neeti Mohan ma'am has inspired me, and the thing that I look up to her, is the way she is so humble. She has reached at such a big platform where we all look up to her as a singer, as a human being. तो जब भी मैं उनको देखती हूँ, जब मैं उनके गाने सुनती हूँ, जब मैं उनके इंटरव्यूज सुनती हूँ, तो मुझे उनकी बातों में, उनके गायकी में, उनके नेचर में एक सिंप्लिसिटी नज़र आती है, जो मुझे लगता है अगर मैं भी अपने करियर में, अपने लाइफ में उस चीज़ को इनकलकेट करूँगी तो आई विल बिकम बेटर एवरी डे. सो आई थिंक नीति मैम इज़ डेफिनेटली माई इंस्पिरेशन, एंड I definitely look up to her, and I'm grateful that I have her in my life. I have known her for more than 15 years now. At the age of 10, when I participated in my first ever singing reality show, that is The Voice India Kids, she was the one who pressed the buzzer for me. She was the one who recognized my potential. And coming all the way from a very small city, lots of dreams I had to fulfill it for my parents, because they are the music devotees and I've learned everything from them. So I had lots of dreams in my eyes, but the one who saw it was Neeti ma'am. When I see the type of songs that she sings and the way she has make herself such a big celebrity, I would say, that word carries lots of pressure, lots of attention to it. But when I see her as a person, whenever I've spoken to her, first of all, I always say this, that her simplicity of always taking care of me, or of always guiding me with the right amount of words, and always telling me that you don't have to, you just have to be on the right path, just focus on what you want to do in your life. And वो सारी चीज़ मुझे बहुत इंस्पायर करती है मैम की, चाहे वो उनके गाने हों. मैंने जैसा कि कहा कि जब मैं वॉइस इंडिया किड्स में आई थी तो मैंने सबसे पहले उनके 2 गाने जिया रे और इश्क वाला लव सुना था. वो दोनों आवाज़ जो उन गानों में मैंने मैम की सुनी थी, उस दिन मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ दैट हमारे प्लेबैक सिंगिंग की जो दुनिया है उसमें हम एक ही पैटर्न को जो फॉलो करते हैं उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. Since I have started from a reality show, so I'm very happy and I'm very grateful that my family, my parents, my brother, I have a complete musically inclined family. So that's where I get my support from, motivation from. And I know that ये सब के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं होता है. तो अभी तो मैं खुद ही मेहनत कर रही हूँ, लेकिन मैं चाहती हूँ कि एक दिन मैं भी जब नीति मैम जैसे एक बड़े स्तर पे पहुँचूँ तो मैं भी जितनी भी यंग गर्ल्स हैं उनके लिए कुछ संगीत के प्रति जो भी मेरे से हो सकता है, मे बी इट्स musical workshops, maybe it's just alignment with all those young minds who want to go forward with the music line, maybe giving them the scholarship. As the way I can help them, मैं वो करने की कोशिश करूँगी. Highs and lows are the constant, but what can make you grow in your life is continuously trying to be better every day. And by the likes and views, I know how the world is working right now, but if you're staying true to yourself, true to your music, true to your passion, I think you can make it. That's what I am doing, that's what I'm practicing, and I hope it works out for everyone.